Some jet skis come far too close to the rider. If they fall, the jet ski has little time to stop and avoid the rider. If a kid or beginner is behind the boat and they feel the jet ski is too close, the natural reaction is to let go, which increases the chance of an accident. The thing with jet skis is they can't turn very well when not under acceleration. Naturally, an inexperienced jet ski will come off the throttle, which means little steering and more likely to have an accident. Jet skis are fun, but they can be dangerous. Don't leave your brains on the bank. Don't be that guy.